Yes, I do remove my shoes.
Okay, so it's barefoot, right? And then we do a lot of stomping on the ground, so we make sure that we are respectful of the Mother Earth who's carrying us around for so many years around the sun. And how do you show respect to Mother Earth, God, gurus are your teachers, and your parents are your first teachers, and the audience? How do you go about it? Do Namaskaram, please. That's called Namaskaram.
Thank you, Mother Earth. You're as precious as my eyes. Thank you, God. Thank you, teachers and parents. Thank you, family and friends.
So this is optional. We grew up doing our Namaskaram by touching on the Guru's feet, and I feel I have benefited out of it. And so this is the way that this class starts. And now Uja is going to show you a couple of steps. We call it Adabu. Be the light so that they can see you well, okay? And let's see. So, what is the main position? What makes it a little difficult at the same time beautiful? What is that position that you love?
Aramandi.
Can you show that, please? Wow. You get your toes to the side, your heels together, and I call this the diamond. And I ask my students to give me the diamond. The knee bone bend is what the revered African dancers would call it, because that represents life when the knee could be bent. If there's no life, knee becomes stiff and straight. I've had